Hi friend, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. So today our session will be discussing about the data warehousing on cloud, advantage and disadvantage and why it is so. What is the extra advantage we will get over here? So I hope you enjoyed the other classes. So let's get started. So data warehousing on cloud, we have just trying to answer a couple of questions. What all we generally come to our mind, and we will try to address all of those questions. So first, why DWC? Why data warehousing on cloud? What is those the advantages? Will it replace the BW system? Will it replace the native HANA system? Where should we use? And what is the potential use cases of those data warehousing on cloud? Okay, so let's get started. First, what is DWC? So DWC or data warehousing on cloud is a new product of SAP which is launched 2019, end of 2019. Due to corona and other situation, it was not published much, but nowadays it is slowly start picking up the market. Data warehousing cloud is something like it will help you to join with different data source into, and you can pull the data into the SAP system. Once we are thinking of DW system, it may happen like there is an anonymous and enormous different source system might be available, and we need to we need to close with all of them. Now the system may be connected with different sources, and those sources we can join them together. So that is one of the advantage, like in SAP we can joining those BW on HANA systems with a several number of different source system. Number two, what is the advantage? Advantage is, first of all, we have a modeling capability over here, and we is not required to staging part. Though we can do staging over here, but it's not recommended. So here we can do staging here, but most of the cases we can do the data warehouse on the fly. So that is one of the biggest advantage in data warehousing on cloud. Third point, what it will replace the DW system? No, not at all. BW and data warehouse on cloud is completely different dimension altogether. Data warehouse and business warehouse or business intelligence is a totally, it's maybe a overlapping domain, but it, it is looking from a different angle altogether. Okay, BW we have a storage area, BW we have a staging area, BW can do some pre-calculated stuff which all are not available in DWC. So it's not a actual replacement of BW, and SAP never demanded that it is going to replace the BW system. Never. So it's not going to replace the BW system. It will be a separate product altogether, which is help you and to going further in a way. Next point, will it replace native HANA? No, not at all. Native HANA is a different target audience. It is purely developed on top of database. You can do modeling. Here also in DWC you can do modeling. Both the modeling is more or less same, but DWC is not a replacement of native HANA and vice versa. So native HANA will be it in its own pace. DWC will be a new product, and BW will be as it is. So they, they those, those different products may have some overlapping set. You can do some of the implementation with native HANA and as well as BW, or maybe in the DWC, but it's not like that it is going to replace each other. Where should you use? It's a very good question. Mainly I will find 3 points here. The first point is, once you have we have to join different source system like cloud, on-premises, SAP, and the other. On those cases, especially once cloud come into the picture, DW will be the most potential candidate over here. Okay, and where you have need a mix and match of BW and cloud, and also the on-prem data. DWC will be one of the potential candidates over here, which where you can do it very easily with the different adapter. Okay, and what is the potential use cases? Just I'm giving a assumption of a potential use case. It might not be very special one. Something like that you can consider. You have some data feed from Twitter, some data feed from Facebook. Also, you have some data in Amazon, AWS, I would say AWS. You have some data in Azure, and also you have some on-prem system. DWC have a different adapter to joining all of them. So you can join all of them, you can drag them, you can persist those data into a table of DWC, or you can create a virtual table and then drop them in a model, and you can use the model depending on the virtual table or the actual tables, and then you can do a reporting. So in this kind of situation, it is a DWC will be DWC is the most perfect case. So I hope you understand and you like the discussion. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.